Hello, my name is Edel Giltanan and I work with Codima, Dublin's energy agency. The Switch Off campaign is a promotional and awareness campaign which we targeted Dublin City Council staff and piloted in the civic offices. The aim of this campaign was to encourage the staff to switch off unnecessary appliances such as computers, photocopiers, etc. when not in use, and also to switch off unnecessary lighting. The first step was to carry out an observational survey. This was conducted at night time, where a group of staff walked around the civic offices and made a note of equipment that was left on during the night time. Following this, we had a promotional campaign which we launched with issuing some really eye-catching brochures and placing them in specific locations. Also producing some brochures, mouse mats, stickers, and we also ran an email campaign. Following on from this, we had an energy day, which we held in the civic offices, and it also held a competition as well. And this provided the staff an opportunity to submit their energy saving tips, and we received some really interesting and very useful information through this procedure, as the staff submitted very specific actions that could be done in the civic offices.
Hello, my name is Rory McManus from the Northern Ireland Energy Agency. We, together with Derry City Council, are the UK partners implementing the European project -3%. Since the project began, Derry City Council have implemented a number of projects. These have resulted in a saving in energy consumption of 15%, carbon dioxide savings of 727 tonnes, and financial savings of £235,000 UK for the Council. One such example was the replacement of an old inefficient boiler plant at Templemore Leisure Centre with a modern high-efficiency gas condensing boiler plant. This installation alone reduced the energy consumption of the centre by 15%. Derry City Council and the Northern Ireland Energy Agency are proud of the achievements so far and will continue the work of the -3% project to achieve the goal of a 30% reduction in energy end use by 2020.
So hello, my name is Boris Papuszek from Graz Energy Agency. In this project we changed all the signal lights in the city of Graz, which were 190 facilities from ordinary light bulbs to LED lamps. This resulted in savings of energy of 68% and in cost savings, including savings in maintenance and changing all the lamps, of 75%. So instead of 300,000 euros of costs per year, it now costs less than 100,000 euros per year. We as the Energy Agency took all the investments, and the city does not have to pay for the investments. Instead, out of the energy savings, all the investment is paid back. So the city gets all the benefits, having improved lighting in the city, safer lighting, having the energy savings of 2/3, and without having to invest €1 in that project. So we are very happy with that project with the city, and we are very keen on continuing this fruitful work within the -3% project.
Hello, my name is Bronislava Herdova. I'm working for the Energy Center Bratislava. Since the start of the project, we have done already many activities in the city. We have monitored the energy consumption in the city, set the baseline for the energy consumption of municipal facilities. We have also started to make energy auditing of buildings, thermovision. I wanted to speak about one project which has been finished this year, September. It's installation of solar collectors on the sport hall Malina, which is a quite large facility, where we on the roof of the hall installed 30 solar flat panels. They provide for hot water in amount of 58 megawatt per year of heat energy, which replaces consumption of natural gas in amount of 4,420 cubic per year. This accounts for more than 30% of energy savings of heat energy for preparing hot water for this sport hall, which is equipped with a swimming pool. This is a very good example of how is the approach, how to save energy, how to prepare energy action plan and implement the energy efficiency.
Hello, my name is Vlasta Krmel and I'm coming from Energy Agency of Podravje, and we are working together as a partner in Project -3 with the Municipality of Maribor. The city decided now to go for the most sustainable way and to save energy. So we decided to work very hard on the public part of the energy use. So we decided to work on the public buildings, public transport sector, and also to public lighting system. And as a first pilot project in the frame of this, we implemented the energy monitoring system. So this is our system, that the centrally management system, where each part from the public buildings are putting the data about their energy use, about the costs, about the for example, water use, they are putting monthly in the central system. And all this data is then used to prepare some action plans, where the investments in the energy renovation is the mostly needed. So we made an action plan how we will save the energy and the cost until 2015. And we calculated that the savings are possible, and then in 5-6 years we will save more than 50% of energy, and more than 500,000 euros per year will be saved.
Mi nombre es Julián Lago, represento a la empresa Europa Innovación y Desarrollo, y en estrecha colaboración con el Ayuntamiento de Teruel estamos llevando a cabo el plan de acción de la ciudad para favorecer y mejorar la eficiencia energética. Para esto, y en colaboración con el Instituto para la Diversificación y el Ahorro de la Energía, el IDAE, ha elaborado un inventario, una auditoría energética de todo el alumbrado de la ciudad, y en este inventario se ha llegado a la conclusión que sobre 4,8 gigavatios que se consumen, y con una inversión que habría de hacer la empresa de servicios energéticos que opte a la licitación de 1,5 millones de euros, con ahorros superiores al 50%, podría haber retornada dicha inversión en el plazo de 8 años. ¿Qué está suponiendo -3 y el programa de energía inteligente para el Ayuntamiento de Teruel? Pues bueno, la oportunidad, por un lado, de mejorar su eficiencia energética. Por otro, en materia de las empresas de servicios energéticos, favorecer e impulsar este mercado que, como ya he dicho, es relativamente nuevo en España.